is doing on the daily time frame, then we'll go to 4 hourly, then 15 minute, and if you want you can go to 1 minute as I usually do. So our main trend starting point was this one, and the end point is this one. This is the swing high, and this one is the swing low for our daily interval. Meanwhile, this is the internal leg which did retraced up to, I don't know, maybe 70%, I guess. Yeah, almost 78.6%. And then it started to show up bearishness again. It broke this low. It changed character somewhere here. Yeah, and then again, if we look at this internal leg, we'll say that this one is the internal leg pullback phase, and this one also gave us a retracement up to, yeah, more than 50%, somewhat 61.8 somewhere. Yeah, then again on the daily, what we expect that the price take this low. Right, let me mark this one with red. And this is our internal liquidity here. I'll mark it with blue. Let me turn on weak magnet, weak. Alright, it's here. Then let's see where else was liquidity lying. This was also a liquidity point, but we are still trying to close below it. But if we see body candle closure above it, we might see an upward move to clear this liquidity. Let me draw it again clearly, this one. Alright, let's go to 4 hourly time frame and see what the price is going to do next, what we can anticipate the price to do. So for now, this one is our main leg from here to here, and we see a bullish reaction after taking this liquidity here, and this is the next 4 hourly zone which can save the price from dropping, or maybe give a pullback to support the initial price movement. Yep, let me mark it with blue as our usual scheme. I mark blue for bullishness. Let me remove this one and this one and connect this one. So now this is just an internal liquidity, and this is our supply zone. And I'll mark it with gray. Alright, now this one is also a supply zone, but let's see which one holds. I think that we might be able to hold this zone as we have liquidity just below it. Let me do one more thing. I'll add it's lagging, I guess. Let me type it. Yeah. Fuck. I typed $$, and it did say dollar and dollar. Alright, we'll just make it on top, center. Yeah, that's it. Alright, now this is our 4 hour supply zone, and this is our 4 hour demand zone. Now all this was liquidity that we talked about in the live stream that we had maybe on previous Sunday. Now all of this liquidity is taken out. Now the next 4 hour supply is this one, as it broke this structure. It broke this structure, and let's see if we leave this fair value gap or not. I guess we might. Let's see with what time does. But yeah, it's almost, yeah, somewhere here. But we can see that the wick is going through our supply zone, so I guess I'll count this wick as our supply zone. And let's renew or refine, sorry, let's refine our 15-minute supply zone. Yeah, this one is our main extreme 15-minute supply zone. Here we can see that we reacted on a 15-minute demand zone, which was just above this 4 hours of demand zone. Let me shrink it down. Yeah, this one was the 15-minute demand that I was looking up to, and I'll mark it with it. Let's extend it right, and okay, let's make it color to the blue. Alright, this was the 15-minute demand that hold the price. Again, going back where we were, price reacted and shown us a bullish move. Here we did a fractal change of character somewhere here. Alright, let me turn off the magnet, so that will be more convenient for me that way. Disable magnet. Yeah, this was our change of character. Let me template change of character upside. Alright, I guess shrink it a little bit maybe. No, I'll just remove this one and use this one. Alright, this was our bullish change of character after tapping into this demand. Now this one is our latest latest demand, and let me again cancel the extend right. Now what I think that this price might not be able to hold well, as we have a demand just below it, and we might get passed through this. Or maybe if we do hold, we can see a reaction, like if the price comes here, we can see an upside like this. Or maybe we just pass through this demand, which may be a trap, and then see some reaction and maybe tap into that supply. Or this one is also a good supply. Let me mark this one too. Alright, I'll mark it with green. Alright, but if we see that this leg yeah, so our 50% lies somewhere here, so it's better to look for shorts from here rather than from here.